Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix no audio or iPhone video recording front camera not working in iOS 15.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn off change with button. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap sound, turn off change with button. Tip number 2. Enable and disable Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable, tap Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal on the Journal page. Scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Focus, tap Do Not Disturb, turn off Do Not Disturb. Tip number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Tip number 6. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset, tap Reset all settings, enter your passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.